Hello friends, let's make some passion fruit mousse today. It is so delicious and it smells so nice and refreshing. It is my very first time to make this mousse. It is not the easiest, but it's not that hard either, and I will encourage you to try it too. Let's start by making some passion fruit syrup. 1 cup of passion fruit juice and 1/4 cup of sugar, which wasn't enough because passion fruit naturally have very intense sour taste, so I ended up adding 3 more spoons. So 1 cup of passion fruit juice to 7 tablespoons of sugar that I added. But I taste as I go, so I will suggest you to do the same thing. When it started to boil, I added this cornstarch with water mixture into it to thicken the juice a little bit. Instead of watery juice, I wanted more like syrupy texture. And this is the consistency I was looking for. Then I sift it and store it in a mason jar cup, and then chill it in the fridge for a couple of hours, or chill it until it's cold, because you can mix a warm syrup into the cold dessert. Now let's start making our mousse. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna whip it until it's stiff peak. I'm going for stiff peak on purpose, but I ended up over whipping it slightly, which can happen within a few seconds. So please be careful so you won't make mistakes like I do. But you always learn, mistakes aren't bad. Then I fold it with my spatula slightly. Then I just save 1 scoop for the topping. Just put it in the Ziploc bag and then store it in the fridge. Then I start by adding 1/2 cup of passion fruit syrup and then fold it in, mix it in nicely. Then I tasted it and definitely not enough passion fruit flavor, so I added 2 more tablespoons. Then I realized that I forgot to add condensed milk. So we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. After I mix it in, the texture and the taste is so much better. So don't forget that. Guys, please remember that this is my first time making this mousse, so I am tasting after every step. Since it's not enough passion fruit flavor, I ended up adding 4 more tablespoons. And it tasted much better, but I still want a little stronger kick of passion fruit flavor, so I added 1 more tablespoon. So the ratio is 1/2 cup and 7 tablespoons of passion fruit syrup to almost 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Taste as you go. Look for the taste that you like, and at least you'll get something that you like. Now let's start plating. I got these little hexagon dessert cup, which only hold 3.3 ounces. With my steel spoon, it fits about a little over 3 spoons or 4, which is just how much I eat at a time, so do as you like, ratio them. I want to get rid of that little tip, so I just swirl it around with a toothpick. Then I tap it out to get rid of some air bubble. Let's make the little syrup topping. Again, I'm using a little bit of gelatin Or you don't have to do it, just use the syrup on its own. I just want it a little thicker. So a little bit of gelatin, just a touch, and a little teeny tiny touch of hot water. And this is the whipping cream we saved earlier. I just swirl it into almost like S shape. Then put 1 tablespoon of passion fruit syrup right across in the middle. Then I got these edible gold leaves. Here I have my passion fruit mousse. Please try it and let me know how it goes. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.